Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Walmart haul for you guys today. I purchased this stuff maybe a month and a half ago, and I never got around to filming this. I went MIA for a while, so I was like, I need to film this so that I can start using the stuff that I got, even though I hadn't really been, I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. But yeah, I haven't really seen people posting about this. I also have been off of my YouTube game, so I don't know if people are posting about this or if they haven't seen it or what. But I got this like I said, about a month and a half ago, so I know it's been out at least for that long. But anyway, I'm going to start with I kind of want to start off with these washies. I'm also pet sitting for most of July, so this is not my normal setup. I brought this stuff from home to show you guys, so if it looks kind of weird, that's why. But anyways, I was intrigued by these washies. So it looks like they're stickers, so I was like, I want to try these out. If I was going to use anything, it would have been these, because I was so intrigued by these. Okay, let's see. So it looks like, okay. Yeah, so they feel like washi, but they're just stickers. Like exactly what this says, washi tape stickers. So this is pretty cool. So it has, well, I guess these are the designs right here. I'll pull one more off for you guys. So that's pretty cool. I was just intrigued. I was like, wonder what this is. And they did have more, um, like washi stickers, I guess, but I only got this one and the next one that I'm about to show you guys. So, and these actually were really cheap. I believe these were $1.88, I want to say. And then I got these. So I imagine these are kind of the same thing, except for that they're petals. Yeah. So I wonder. Okay, and then it looks like you can actually peel these petals off. I'm not going to do all that because I don't want to ruin this, but I think that's actually I think that's pretty cool, and it looks like all of them are like this. Sorry if you can hear that phone in the background. I remember I got scared the first time I heard it. I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? And then I realized, oh, it's a landline. But yeah, I think these are pretty cool. And these also, I believe, were $1.88 for the three. All right, next I found these sticker books, and these have, like, this is a thicker sticker book, and then they have the thinner sticker books, and I don't remember exactly how much they were. I want to say this one was $6 and this one was $4. I just remember I remember thinking they were a good deal. So the smaller ones are the $4 ones, and then this one has more stickers in it, so it's more expensive. But I will flip through it real quickly. And I feel like these stickers are, well, at least the paper feels like it's pretty decent quality. All right, so that's that one. And I don't think I picked up all of the sticker books that they had. I think I just grabbed these four, but I'm pretty sure they had more, um, like more sticker books. I just didn't grab those. So those were the sticker books. I'll probably do a plan with me using these at some point in time. All right, and then lastly, they have a traveler's notebook line, I guess. So the Walmart that I went to only had this one and I think a gold one, I want to say. But I ended up going to Walmart, not for this, but for, other reasons, a few days ago. And I saw that they had different designs at that Walmart. So I guess, I don't know if they didn't have all of them in stock when I went to the Walmart that I went to, but they do have different designs. And it is like a hard cover. So it's not like, you know how other travelers notebooks are more like flexible. It's not like that. So this one comes with, and I believe this, I forgot to mention, this was $6.98, and it comes with 2 notebooks. So here's 1 and 2. This one is a monthly, and it says, does it say the pages on here? Monthly pages, 140 pages. So this is going to last you a really long time. And then it comes with the dot grid. And then in the front, you see it has like the secretarial pocket and then the little slots. And then on the back, it has for you to put a notepad and then your pen and then another pocket. So I thought this was a really good deal for $6.98. I went ahead and picked up some more of the notebook inserts. I got these because these were daily pages, but they also had like health pages, like fitness pages, not health pages, fitness pages, and I don't remember if they had weekly pages. I feel like I would have picked it up if they did. I went ahead and opened this when I bought it, but I don't remember what they look like, so it'll kind of be like the first time seeing it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember this now. So I do like the way these pages look. I like that it's hourly. It goes from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., which I feel like is a pretty good time frame. Your to-do list, your meals, and then, you can put your date up here, or you can put a sticker over it, whatever you want to do. So I don't know. I thought I like these. I was really impressed actually, that Walmart came out with something like this. And then the books, I think, were only $3.98 for 2 books. So when you buy the books, it comes with the daily pages, and then all of them come with some more dot grid pages. So I did try putting a book in here, and you can add another one if you really wanted to. I'm not going to stick it in all the way, but it does fit 3 notebooks in here, but I think 3 is the max. Like if you add anything else, it's not gonna look right. It's gonna, here, I'll show you guys. You see? So 3 notebooks is definitely the max on this if you really wanted to add an extra notebook. Yeah, but I'd probably just have the monthly and the daily pages on here. So maybe, oh, wrong notebook. This notebook, the daily pages. So maybe I'll do a plan with me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see me do a plan with me on this. I kind of want to start doing different content. I mean, I love my happy planner, and I'm going to continue doing plan with me's in my happy planner, but I want to start doing, other planner videos, not just the happy planner, because I know that gets kind of repetitive and boring after a while. So, yeah, let me know if this is something you guys would be interested in, or if there's another planner that you guys would be interested in, for me to show on this channel. All right, next I grabbed these stencils, and there were 2 packs, and I grabbed both of them because I believe they're both different. Yeah, so this is what one looks like, and this is the other one. And I feel like these folders are meant for the traveler's notebook. They also had like these dashboard type things. I didn't grab them because I didn't really care for them, but if that's something that you guys are interested in, definitely check out your Walmart. And I don't think they were that expensive either, but it looked weird to me, like the plastic. Like I was not sure how one would be able to use it, so I didn't get it. But okay, so it has these folders. I feel like they look small. They look small, but I feel like it could still fit in there. And let's see. I wonder if you guys can see the stencil. Here, let me see. That didn't really help any. Okay, that's a little better. So it looks like this is like cleaning. And then these are weather ones. I guess you can see it better without me putting anything under it. Sports and food, really random. Oh, I guess this is like a fitness. This is probably like a fitness stencil. Some banners, letters, family icons, I guess, boxes, and then just, I guess, a decorative stencil. I don't know. All right, and the next one also has 8 stencils with the folder. So this is the folder. It's just a really pretty blue color. And all right, this one also has some banners, numbers. I'm sorry, not letters. Some more banners, random shapes and stuff. I guess these are more like random designs. Well, this is, you know, words. Some more words. Well, date of the month. And this is the last one. Alright, you guys, that wraps up this haul. Let me know if there is anything in particular you guys want me to use first, or if there's anything that you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that like button. And I think that's all I have to say. I really hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!